meow na taas na she wants
Ayan si
food.
Meow Meow.
Meow, meow,
Open the
meow.
light, ate. Hindi natin makita. Ayan. Meron siyang anak. Yung Mingming, meron siyang anak. Ayan. Ay, malapit na magbuklak yung mata niya.
Huh?
Yung Mingming.
The eyes are gonna go out?
Yeah, malapit na magbuklak yung mata.
Oh, good. You look so cute.
Si Mingming, oh. Pahiram ng anak mo, Ming.
Hala, no. Hala, no.
Si may kuting yung Mingming namin, guys. Malapit na siya magbuklat. Dilat yung
Tita,
mata
how are
niya.
you allowed to hold the cat? How about us?
Magalit kasi siya. Pag-hold mo
Oh,
yung
no, look,
Mingming.
she's blocking her babies.
Ang alaga ko, guys. Puro ano.
Good.
Dito kami sa baba. Yeah, may
Tita,
anak.
can you get one? Tita, can you get one? Tita, can you get one? I want to clutch
Meow,
it.
meow. Pahiram mo na ng Mingming mo, Ming. Just hold it. Oh. See, ito, baby cat niya, oh.
Can I see? It's so cute.
Magalit kasi yung mommy cat pag hinawakan yung kuting niya. So, ito cute din, oh.
I saw that one.
See this one, ang kuting niya ba, oh. Ayan na. Ayan. Okay, kuting na yung Mingming. Okay na, let's go. Balikan na lang natin yan. Let's go.
We touched your baby cat. Tita, I thought the cat was gonna scratch us when we touched your baby cat.
Yung ibang pusa, yun. Let's go, magbili na tayo ng pandisan.
That cat is good if you let us touch it, cat.
Ay, Karabaw. Bili kami ng pandesal. Let's go.
Tita, that cat is good. Tita, you know, yesterday we saw a big cat here.
Eating.
The one what we saw before.
Di mo yung nakita natin doon sa may optical?
Yeah, that one.
Wala man dyan, ang init. Wala. Ayan. Bibili kami ng pandesal.
Nice.
Let's go. Magbili tayo ng pandesal. And good morning, guys. Magbili kami ng pandesal. Maglakad kami sa initan. Let's go. Lakarin namin yung pandesal. Let's go. 2 minutes. Come on, ate. Sa bakal. This is it.